manque en pirogue.
There's a real lack of canoes for fishing in here. Many young people would like to fish, but it's too expensive. A wooden canoe costs between 150 and 450, 750 euros. We can promote and recycle these canoes for use in simple fishing activities and encourage young people to get into the fishing industry.
C'est pour la pêche.
The boat is well made, it looks good. In the beginning we thought it was a joke, but then we realized it's a seaworthy vessel. It's a good, strong boat.
On l'encourage et on le félicite.